Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2012 Ford F-150 Lariat, and I will show you how to enable or disable the rear parking aid or rear parking sensors. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2009 all the way up to 2014, equipped with the parking sensors. Now what you will do, first you will press the left menu button on the steering wheel, and that will get you to the main menu. And then scroll down to settings and press OK in the middle. Then you will select driver assist, press OK, and here is the rear park aid, press OK again, and here you can turn it off or on, right? Now if the rear park aid is turned on and the sensors are still not working, you will have to test each sensor separately, because if only one sensor is faulty, none of them will usually work. Another thing, you will have to check the wires and check the electrical connections towards the sensors, because mud, water and debris often gets there, and that messes up the sensors. So clean up everything and then test each of the sensors. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.